Find my way on my own. Yeah, dude. I started on my own, it made me strong, and now I'm lost. I'm floating in my memories, trying to fight to carry on. I feel like a ghost as I roam the unknown. I need a milestone before I reach my tombstone. I'm crazy, full blown, like I'm rap's backbone. That's why this microphone will put my name in cobblestones. I've been through a lot, man, a mental onslaught. There's not many thoughts in my empty soul. I'm aftershock everywhere I turn. People try to screw me over, thinking I'm a pushover. See how they feel when I take over. Standing up to fight, out of might and ignite. Nothing but destruction like 10 tons of dynamite. This ain't about the money, fame, or the territory. This is how an outlaw vents and tells his story. Look at the ratio between me and the radio. They need to know there's tornadoes coming to overthrow. Yeah, I do it on my own. I found my way on my own. I did it stone galaxy mindset, I've astronomically grown. Before this storm I was blind, now my vision's clear. Can't be sincere, must be vicious till I'm revered. Don't interfere and make me have to tat a tear. I'm rap's musketeer, no matter what I'll persevere. It's really unclear how hip-hop's talent disappeared. It's stuck in low gear, in a sphere and severe. Really don't get how you like this mainstream crap. It's like the real talent's all somewhere taking a nap. Then again, nowadays it's all about the beats. We're real and soul lyrics are very obsolete. Not with me, cause I'm rising from the ashes. I'ma bash, thrash, smash on this mainstream trash. I'ma do it on my own, do what my brother said. Grab the bull by the head till his dead till freedom spreads. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. Seminole dog.